Hello and welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about the most common errors in Excel formulas and functions. We are going to see how the error is going to look like, what exactly it means, and how to fix this error. The first type of error is hashtag NA. Here NA stands for not available, and this type of error usually occurs when a value you are searching for is not available in a given data set. And this type of error is common in lookup functions like match, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, and we are going to learn about these functions in upcoming videos. And how to fix it? The fix is very simple. We need to ensure the value we are searching for is available in the dataset and is exactly matching up with the value we are searching for. We will jump back to Excel and see an example of this. So we are back into Excel file, and now let's see how a not available error is occurred. I am going to make use of a function called match. It has three arguments. One is lookup value. It is the value we are going to search for. The next argument is lookup array. It is basically the data set where we are searching for this value. And the third argument is an optional argument, and we will see the different options that is available inside this. The lookup value in this case will be the text by name option 1, and we are going to search for this value in these three rows, which is A2 to A4. And the third argument, we are going to choose the exact match. It just means we are telling Excel if the search value exactly matches with the dataset, then only give the output. So I am double clicking on this value to select it and then close the bracket. So what match function does is it will search for this value in this given data set, and that too if the value exactly matches, and then it gives the position of that search value in the given data set. Here option 1 is available at the first position. Now if you hit enter, it will give the position as 1. Now if you double click on this function, if you change the value to option 4, which is not available in this data set, then you will get the not available error. It just means the value is not available in the dataset. The next error type is hashtag REF. Here REF stands for reference, and this type of error usually occurs when an Excel formula or function is pointing to a cell which has been deleted or moved to the new reference. And how to fix it? We just need to update the Excel formula or function to point to the valid cell reference, or at least we need to restore the deleted range of cells. Let's go back to Excel and see an example. We are back into Excel, and now we are going to do a very simple mathematical calculation. We are going to multiply this cell value with 100. So the output will be 1600. Now, since this formula is pointing to this particular cell, if we delete this particular range of cells by right clicking and choosing delete and then shifting the cells to up, you will see this formula will give the output as reference error. It just means this formula is pointing to a cell reference which has been deleted or it doesn't exist as of now. The next type of error is a num error, and this type of error usually occurs when we are trying to perform an invalid mathematical operation using Excel formulas or functions. Say for example, we are trying to find a square root of a negative number which is invalid. And how to fix it? We just need to check for invalid numeric or mathematical operations. Let's go back to Excel and see an example. Back into Excel, I have a cell value as -16 here, and I will try to find the square root of this value. I will make use of a function called sqrt, which stands for square root, and then give this number as an input. If you close the bracket and hit enter, you will get the num error. The next error type is name, and this usually occurs when an Excel is not able to recognize the text in the formula, and it usually happens because of some typo errors. And how to fix it? We need to ensure all the Excel functions are spelled correctly. And if you are going to use some text values as input to the argument, we need to ensure these text values are enclosed in double quotes. So let's go back to Excel and see an example. Back into Excel, I am going to make use of same match function here. I will copy and paste it into this cell and then change this option 4 to option 1. The name error occurs because of two reasons. The first reason is when you have misspelled the Excel function. Say for example, I will remove the C and then hit enter. You will get the name error. The second reason is you have spelled the Excel function correctly, but you have not enclosed the text value in double quote. Again hit enter, you will get the same error. The next error type is div by zero error, and as the name itself says, this type of error occurs when you are trying to divide a number by a zero or a blank cell. And how to fix it? We need to ensure the denominator is not a zero or a blank cell. Let's go back to Excel and see an example. So we are back into Excel file, and here we are going to divide these two values. So we will start with the equal to symbol, select this cell value, and then divide it by this cell value, which is 0. And hit enter, you will get divide by 0 error. The next type of error is value error, and this usually occurs when we are trying to perform any mathematical operation with two different data types. Say for example, you are trying to multiply a number with a text value. Then you will get the value error. And how to fix it? We need to check if the Excel formulas have got correct input with correct data types. Let's go back to Excel and then see an example. So we are back into Excel file, and now we will try to multiply these two values. One is the numerical value and another is the text value. So we will start with the equal to symbol, select this cell value and then multiply it by this cell value, which is a text. And then hit enter, you will get the value error. So that's all I wanted to cover in this video. By now, you will have the clear understanding of how many different type of errors are there in Excel formulas and functions, what they mean, and how to fix it.